All right, welcome to the notes on area and perimeter. So, area was how much space is in the middle. And hopefully you remember that to do that is you do the length. You times it by the width. And then perimeter was how much space around the edges. And to that you add up all four sides. Okay? So we have some really easy examples. Just to quickly remind us how to do this. For example, on this first one, for my perimeter, this side is 5, plus this side is 3, plus this side is also 5, plus this side is also 3. So altogether I have 16. Versus the area would be the length times the width. So 5 times 3 is 15. For this one, if I'm doing the perimeter, this side is 9, this side is 4, just like this one. This side is 9, plus this side, which is also 4, which when you add them all together, you get 26. And then the area is you do the length times the width, which is 36. Because 9 times 4 is 36. For the last one, perimeter, if I'm adding up the sides, 8 plus 6 plus 8 plus 6, which is 28. And then the area would be 8 times 6, which is 48. So this is just a little bit harder when we add polynomials. So flip the page and you'll see this guy. Remember, polynomials meant multiple terms, so that with x's. So your area, your perimeter, is this side, which is x minus 3, plus this side, which is x, plus this side, which is also x minus 3, because these are the same, plus this side, which is also x. So when I combine like terms, here's x plus x plus x plus x, that's 4 x's. Minus 3 and minus 3 becomes negative 6. And then with area, you do x minus 3 times x. And this is just like the multiplying polynomials lesson, which was lesson 5 in this unit. So remember, you take the first one times the second parentheses, and x times x is x squared. And then if there are other ones, I would also take the x to the other ones, but there's not, there's only one. So then I do this other one in the first parenthesis, the negative 3 times the x, and negative 3 times x is negative 3x. There's no terms to combine, so that's it. That's the answer for area. For this example, perimeter, it's this side, which is 3x plus 7, plus this side, which is x minus 4, plus this side, which is also 3x plus 7, plus this side, which is also x minus 4. Like terms, 3x's plus x plus 3 plus 1 more is a total of 8 x's, plus 7 minus 4 plus 7 minus 4 becomes plus 6. So that's your perimeter. Your area, you do one side times the other side. So 3x times x is 3x squared. 3x times negative 4 is negative 12x. Positive 7 times x is positive 7x's. And positive 7 times negative 4 is negative 28. I do have these two as like terms because they're both x terms, so I can add them together. I still have 3x squareds. Negative 12 plus 7 is negative 5. And then minus 28 at the end. And finally, for the last one, My perimeter is this side, which is 8x squared minus 1, plus this side, which is negative x plus 4, plus this side, which is the same as that one. So plus 8x squared minus 1, and then also plus the negative x plus 4 again, because it's the same. So when I combine, here's 8x squareds together, that's 16x squareds. Here's a minus x, here's another minus x, so together that's minus 2x's. And then minus 1 plus 4 minus 1 plus 4 becomes a plus 6. And that's your perimeter. And then your area is you take one side times the other side. Okay, so then x squared times negative x becomes negative 8x cubed. Because negative times 8 is negative 8, and x squared times x is an x cubed. Then 8x squared times positive 4 becomes positive 32 x squared, because 8 times 4 is 32, and x squared by itself is just x squared. Okay? And then I have to take the negative 1 times the negative x, which becomes a positive x. And then negative 1 times the 4 is negative 4. I can combine like terms if I have any, but I don't, because these are x cubes, those are x squareds, those are x's, and those are 4's. So I am done.